Hlaso learned the hard way that Madlomo does not love him anymore. Uthandana noMthunzi and he must focus on his marriage, no Dintle. He didn't end there and went to embarrass himself by attacking Mthunzi A-levels in front of Udintle. Kiribani went to slap Utebucho thinking that the podcast cheating rumors are real. Now the police are knocking on her door. Taps is now questioning his mom after Vovu's investigation skills prove that Talita might be lying about this whole thing. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on scandal. Unhloso ambushed Madlomo lying about the school fees, the one he knows that is not going to pay, just to get her to come to the doctor so he can convince her to fix things and divorce Dinhle and help her raise the baby. Njani, when he left, is he not happy with his new life? Like, didn't he leave Madlomo for her? Now all of a sudden he thinks it was a mistake and wants to go back. Njani, just because Madlomo is happy with Mthunzi. I'm happy that Madlomo was like, nope, angingeni yakho. Please don't involve me. I don't know what's going on, but I don't love you anymore, Nhloso. And what we heard is over. Senje wena focus on relationship yakho nomndeni wakho omuhle noDinhle. Mina noMthunzi siyathandana. I know you've got this thing ukuthi uMthunzi is forcing me, uMthunzi is doing no, mina noMthunzi siyathandana, so please leave us alone. As Madlomo got home and explained the whole thing, Mthunzi was like, you better not stress you again or else he'll help me to deal with. Madlomo angasaqhazekanga ngathi yes, I like it when you're jealous. But Mthunzi is like, no, I just don't want it to say you stressed. I wonder when they meet up. Kanti Umhloso will see Mthunzi A-levels ehleka noNtuthuko because they get along kaloku. Now Umhloso is attacking Mthunzi, thinking Mthunzi is just out there to humiliate him. Njani, why are you fighting with Mthunzi? Because he's with your ex-wife? Why you've got your new wife in front of Dinhle? Dinhle was so embarrassed. Man, they had to stop them from fighting. Imagine in front of the people. Now Utaps goes to, after Vovu showed him the video of Talita trying to fight Uvictor off, saying, well, something is off. Taps went to talk to his mom and said, well, something doesn't end up more. Where's the original video? Because this one is edited. Mama Hai was angry, saying, why are you acting as if I don't believe her? Yes, you've lied about Diro before, so good. Now Talita is creating more scandal, saying that he had a fling with Victor. Imagine Mkekulu leave Victor. So Victor would leave Bridget to go and have a fling with Talita. Now Tapelo can see who there's no man. This doesn't add up. Now Bridget is trying by all means to hide this whole thing from Halalelo so that she doesn't find out. But Tap seems to believe that this thing that his mother is saying is true. But Bridget is like, you know what, you need to find the original footage because something is off more. It seems like your mother recorded the video so that she can have some advantage. How is it that the man that was assaulting her is now wanting to resign and she's the one busy calling him? How do you keep on calling your attacker when you're a victim? It doesn't add up. And then Teresa and Poet decided that, you know what, we're not going to listen to we anymore. We're going to write our own script and stick to it. So they wrote their own script and created this whole cheating scandal about his ex phoning. They paid Tebucho to phone during their podcast and pretend to be an ex. And now they're fighting over this whole thing. And then Mama Poet sees this thing and she was livid. And they realized she didn't waste time and went to level. So your home record. Tebucho was so short. For what? Home record. I'm going to deal with you. Now, only to find out that Poet and Teresa are acting. This podcast thing is just a lie, just to create the traffic onto their channel. Now there's police knocking on her door. But for assault. Imagine. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.